How to fix you are about to be signed out, Windows will shut down in less than a minute. So the you are about to be signed out, Windows will shut down in less than a minute message usually appears because of pending Windows updates, schedule shutdowns, or system policies. Now to fix this, first what you can do is to check Windows Update. So click on Win I on your keyboard to open settings, and then on settings, go ahead and head over to Windows Update. And then in here, you'll be able to find the pending updates. So install pending updates, then restart manually. This prevents Windows from forcing shutdown later. Another thing you can do is to go ahead and disable fast startup. So open the control panel on your device, and then on the control panel, head over to power options. So on power options, go ahead and choose what the power buttons do. Click change settings that are currently unavailable, and uncheck turn on fast startup. Save changes and restart. Now, the last thing you can do is to go ahead and turn off sign in info settings. So go ahead and open settings on your device. And then on settings, head over into accounts. And then from the accounts, go ahead and select sign in options. Scroll to privacy in here and then disable use my sign in info automatically finish setting up my device after an update or restart. And that is how you can basically fix you are about to be signed out. Windows will shut down in less than a minute.